Welcome. Come on in. It's Thursday and it's happy hour. Home happy hour to be exact, so grab a drink and let's get started. On today's episode of Home Happy Hour, we're talking about how to make your fertilizer all by yourself with kitchen scraps. So I have all kinds of fun things. I've got some Epsom salts. I've got coffee grounds, eggshells, and some leftover green tea because I love green tea. So first, we're gonna make a fertilizer just with a tablespoon of Epsom salt. So I have my trusty tablespoon. I'm gonna just put a tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and mix it up. That's it. It's full of magnesium sulfate, which is great for plants. Then we're gonna move on to coffee grounds. So if you drink coffee every day, I don't, but Matt does. If you drink coffee every day, you're gonna end up with tons of coffee grounds. What you wanna do is take these grounds, put them on a sheet pan, dry them out in the oven, or you can just leave them out and let them dry. And then you're gonna want to just put this around all of your acid-loving plants. So what are acid-loving plants? Rhododendrons, azaleas, and blueberries are a few. Now don't overdo it because the pH balance in your soil is really delicate, and if you get too much in there, then they won't be able to absorb any of the fertilizer in the soil or any of the nutrients in the soil. So be judicious about the coffee grounds. Don't spread too much around. You want to be careful of the pH balance in your soil, and we actually have a great video about testing your soil and pH balance in your soil, so check that out too when you have a chance. And of course, here I have some eggshells. Now typically you're going to let those dry out too, and then you're going to grind it up in the Cuisinart, or I just take it and smash it in my hand and sprinkle it around the plant. My grandfather and my father used to love taking eggshells and throwing them around tomatoes because tomatoes love to have lime in the soil, and that's what this is. So it's typically called lime, or it's really calcium. And then we've got green tea. Turns out that leftover green tea is really high in nitrogen, so you can just take your leftover green tea and just sprinkle it around your plants. They're gonna love it. Nitrogen's one of the most important fertilizers for all plants, so you can't go wrong there. And of course, we have another video on soil samples, so you should check that out over on our home maintenance series. As you probably already figured out, I love plants, and so I'd be super curious to hear what you use in your kitchen to fertilize your plants. Comment below, I wanna know. And thanks so much for tuning into our Home Happy Hour. We'll see you next week. Cheers.